How to use Flint in Whiteout Survival. Now, Flint is a mythic rarity or SSR, a rarity infantry, which is a combat subclass hero introduced in basically the Generation 2 of Whiteout Survival. So, this guy pretty much specializes on dealing damage, buffing allied troops, and it also supports both the exploration and expedition game modes. So to pretty much know when to use him, usually in exploration, arena battles, you can use Flint to deal sustained damage and support your hero team via Heat Diffusion and Fires of Vengeance, which is his skills. His healing via Incinerator also helps the survivability, so you can make use of that depending on the other allies you have during that matchup. In expedition, rally, or troop combat, though, you can use Flint as a leader or major contributor to boosts like Burning, Resolve, and Pyromaniac. This buffs does help troops deal more damage and apply DOTs, which is pretty much your damage over time. And finally, in your garrisons or your defense, you can use him with his Dragonbane gear, so that defending troops get the damage boost from the Dragon Breath, which is helpful when you are under attack. So place Flint in roles where his buffs benefit many troops rather than focusing on him himself, since he is somewhat a support troop as well. Ensure he is appropriately geared and upgraded so his skills aren't held back by weak stats. And since some of his expedition skills are somewhat chance based, like the Pyromaniac and Emulation skill, you can pair him with heroes or troops that complement this. So heroes who increase the trigger rate or reduce enemy resistance. So don't rely solely on his chance skills, so make sure his uptime and basic stats are strong. Hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.